Hi everyone. Here I have a Motorola AM radio. It's All-American 6 plastic. This is your on-off volume. I think this is the tone. I'm pretty sure it is. Just don't know yet. Your tuning, and it is lined up, so I don't have to line it. Boy, it needs a good cleaning though. It's been in the basement for ages. Everything looks good on it. Even the power cord. Now this antenna, they have an internal antenna in there, but this one is for circuit for use with external antenna in remote areas. Well, we'll see about that. Got some funny looking screws in there. Square head holding that back on. It has a external and internal switch. It's stiff. I have to clean that up. Let me see what else. Turn it on its side here. It is it's a model AT25BN. Number, I guess that's a serial number 3976. 120 volts, 35 watts. You got your 3.5 W4 rectifier in there. 3.5 C5 output tube. And your usual 12BA6, 12AV6, 12BE6, and 12BA6. Two of them, of course. So, I'm going to have to try to find a tool to get this back off. This is kind of weird. I don't know the year of this. I have no paperwork on this shit. I just want to kind of open it up and see what I'm up against. But the back looks in good shape and everything, so I don't know. Let me get back with you when I get this, figure out how to get this back off, because they're like little square heads inside there. I might have a tool for that, or maybe I could just use a regular screwdriver and get them out. So I'll be back in a few seconds. I got the screws out. Wasn't that bad. Used a I don't know what the hell it was in a rectangle one. It was a square one, but take this antenna off. This antenna is made out of it's got a cloth. Now this is the interlock. See where we go with this. There she goes. Anything else I need to remove? I don't think so. Really? Something looks like that's maybe holding something right there. I don't know. We'll find out. Why is that screw there? Plastic screw. Nylon. I don't know the year of this shit. Yeah, it's a nylon. Go with my little cup of things. Now it should come off. There it goes. What is that all about? Oh, it's screwed onto the well, it ain't giving me too much room to play with. I'm going to have to desolder that antenna. So let me get my iron on, because I can't get the back off without that. Trying to put a socket over a round screw. Some people's children. Okay, mess with me. There were 3 screws in there. That was one way back here for the volume control, then 2 way back in there. After I got this one out, there's 2 way back in there. This little clip was what was holding that tuner knob on. I gotta desolder the speaker because I can't get it out without that. And that's okay. There's one. There's the other. Ouch! Almost burnt myself. Okay, here we go. And there it is. Get that screw out of there that I dropped. It's a pretty stout little antenna. Yeah, you can see it's a 3 gain. Looks in pretty good shape. I love this board. Play air they call it or something. It's really... Oh, wait a minute. Now this came off there. This piece of foam. It's dry rotted. That one came off. Just put a couple pieces more foam on that. No big dilly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? There's no... Oh yeah, there's one. Wax paper. Capacitor. Actually, there's 2 there. It's electrolytic. What does that say? 40 and 40 at 150. Is there any more? And a 30. So there's 3 of them in there. I'll have to check it. If it checks good, I'm going to try to turn this baby on. Because there's really not that much to this. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll find a place to put this temporary, because I'll need that speaker hooked up in a sec. You get in there in that tray bin. I don't see it being polarized anything. That's in there. Speaker. Turn this off. It's off. I think it's going to work right off the bat. But yeah, I mean... let's go red, black. I like to keep the colors. Okay, the speakers are now hooked up. That's off. Let's turn on the variac. Plug it into the isolated transformer. What kind of power are we getting to it? 123 volts. I got 123, 124 there, so that's what I'm going to give it. I know I should go down lower, but I'm not going to. I don't see the light coming on. Nope. Excuse me. Nada. Oh, I don't have an antenna, but I should still have static. I don't even see the tubes lighting. I see one lighting. So that tells me they got to be series. That's an All-American 6. See what it says. 121 is drop down function. Amps is 0.27. 31 watts. What did I say, 35? Oh, I ain't got the, turn this down. My wire came off, or I didn't hook it up. One, I don't think I hooked it up. There it is. That's sturdy.
God bless you. Friend, do you remember when it felt good to withdraw your cash from the bank to
That's the
expand a
tone.
business, go on vacation, or buy a new car? Well, today, withdrawing your own cash has become a very...
Yeah. Now, how the hell you expect you to get in there to just that IF? Boy, it ain't getting. And that's one of them where you can't get in there to just the IF. Really, look at it. It's mounted right under the variable tuner. You can't get a tool in there. And there's no, well, there is adjustment on the bottom, so maybe they want you to go under the bottom on that one. Okay, I would say so, because this one don't have one. It's probably got the two slugs, one down lower on top, and this one two slugs, but you reach it from the bottom. Okay. 1963. I said, didn't I say? I said late 60s. 1963 Motorola. That's the year on this board. So I'm assuming it's a 63. I thought, see, and I said late 60s. It's early 60s. So I'll get back with you when I do a little bit of replacing on the parts and cleaning it up a little bit and go from there. But it's good as gold. I think I got this restored as far as restoring it. Alignment's another thing. I don't have a schematic or anything. I can't find it. But I believe I got everything done. I did change the electrolytic with three of them. Then I had two grounds going in two different places. So I brought those green wires down for the ground and put two 40s and a 30 in there. And I like these because they're 160 and I need 150, so it's not an overkill. I changed two resistors that were out of tolerance, 100 ohm and what was the other one? A 220,000 ohm. And three film capacitors. I was wondering about that because I was looking at this oscillator coil here and I go, you know, you're not supposed to have these ceramic disc capacitors. That's the way I was always learned. You don't put them in there. And then I followed it through and traced it, and there was a cap, film cap right back in there that goes to that. So it makes sense now. This is a nice board for a printed circuit board, if you will. It's made like a Zenith quality, if you will. I mean, it is nice, and I'll bend that back later. But yeah, then I touched up a lot of the severing. Right here is that other where the can went. It was just a mount. That was nothing. I touched up a lot of the what is that beeping? I had that happen to me once before. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to try it out. Another thing good about it is Well, it is a 6.2, but nobody's been in this set. This is untouched. And they got the 4 tube shields on there, which is nice, especially around the IF cans. And, okay, alright, so I'm going to put the power cord on it and let's give it a shot. Oh, I got to hook up the speaker, don't forget. Okay, the power cord's in. Speaker down here. I cleaned it up a little bit, but I still got some more work to do on this. It's got something almost like this. Let's see. Now this time let's hook it up to the speaker instead of guessing that you did it. I dropped my parts can over here, and I bet you I am missing a bunch of parts on my table here. Yeah, get out of my way. Okay, red. Green. We'll use black. Okay. Alright, turn the variac on. This thing is going to be in your way. I guess that works okay. Alright, now I'm going to turn the variac on. 121 there. What we got here? 124. We got 125 of the outlet in the house, so that's going to be good. I am not going to bring it up gradually because I usually check my work. Okay, here we go. I double and triple check my work, so I feel comfortable not doing that. Now, if there was a lot more involved, you're only talking 3 capacitors, 2 resistors, and the E-caps. There it is.
Take your free online heart test today and discover how to
Everything's
get Dr.
gotta
Crandall's bestseller,
stabilize.
The Simple Heart Cure.
For a few seconds anyway, that's why I always like to several hours burn-in time stuff stabilizes. It's 10 adjustments for alignment, and that's not going to be easy if I don't have the specs, because I want to do it the right way. I mean, I'm sure these are 455, I can get away with that, but I'm not sure about 10 coil adjustment or the oscillator adjustment. I mean, how do you go about it? I mean, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to shy away from that because it is working. I hate doing that, but I'll know when I get it in the cabinet if it's not the pointer is not right on the money. Then it's going to have to come back out, and I'll have to align it the best I can without the schematic. It's working. It was working. Now it's working better. It has to be because it's got new parts in it. All the other resistors were intolerance, and just needs an alignment. I'll get back when I guess I put it in the case and see how good it responds. So what I do, since the numbers on the dial are on this and not on the radio, I have no way of dialing it in. Say if I want to adjust to 600 kilohertz or 14 or 1600, I have no way except the way I do it. And I'm going to use my small little coil here. I got a, this is about a 6, maybe 6, 7, closer to 7, I don't remember. And I got the 12 inches, is perfect. So I'm going to set my, let's see, signal generator, let's try 600. And let me see, modulation, and 50%, that's default, we'll leave that. And the amplitude, I'm going 50 millivolts. I got it hooked up to my AT25BN through the speaker or output transformer. So now I'm going to turn the volume up. You're hearing nothing but static. Now I'm going to try to find 600, and then I know where 600 is at. Uh-oh. That would be it. And I watch deflection get the highest on my meter. Let me turn the volume up a little bit, get a bit. Right there. Let's try to drop that amplitude to 25. It's not bad. I don't want to activate the AGC. Let's go 10. Wow, even 10. See if I can go microvolts. Let's go 50 microvolts. Nope. Let's go 200. Not bad. There we go. Now I got out of microvolts, 500 microvolts. And that's the ticket. I don't want to. But you hear that whining with the static? I don't care for that. So I'm going to go way down to amplitude. Let's go back to 10 millivolts. There, that's clearer. At 10 millivolts. Now, just to show you, I'm going to try hooking it up to, say, 1400, 1.5 megahertz. So, there we go. Now we'll see. See if I can get to 1400. There it is. I watch my meter on my BTM and make sure I get the highest deflection. And there it is. So that's how you know to set your radio on the correct frequency when you don't have the dial on the radio. So what I'll do, I have my little tool here. As far as the IFs, I'll go deep inside and then the top one and just those to 455. I'll have to turn that one on the side to get that one. Works. I got the radio aligned and chassis back into the cabinet. I'm transmitting at 900 kilohertz. And you can see
burglarized
perfectly right at 12 o'clock position on the 9. I tried it at the 60, 14, 16, spot on. So the
I want to start off by telling you how
alignment was a
somebody
success.
has to shut down.
I didn't get that much out of the
They can't keep your business safe in
IFs,
this
if
country.
any,
Tell us about
but the antenna, oscillator, and the RF gains I did
it's my
get
livelihood, but
quite a bit out of,
also my
and
safety and my health is more
some of
important.
the
And
coils,
owning so many
1600 to
stores
1400 adjustable coils in there. I got some out of
taking a
that.
toll on my health as
So
well.
it's a hot little set now. I know
When did this all start? I mean, I assume a lot of this began in 2020.
if you lived in an urban area or something, you had a lot of AM stations. This would be picking up them all.
Yes,
a lot
I started
of them.
getting hit in 2020.
But
and right
I'm getting this
after
hum
that,
again,
back-to-back.
AC 60 cycle hum, I guess, or
What is your
lights.
message? I mean, there's
ground loop. I don't know. It ain't the radio.
a tremendous.
They're easy to fit into the ear, and what really impressed me is I'm
That's
hearing
the
things I haven't
transmitter again.
heard in years. Call now to talk to one of our Nano hearing aid specialists. Call 1-800-350-4402.
It's calibrating,
The
but
Nano CIC rechargeable hearing aids offer superior noise reduction
see if I
and
put it
a
on the
tiny
outside
ear
antenna.
design that is nearly invisible. Plus, these hearing aids also come with a portable charging. And best of all, they are incredibly affordable.
I love how they feel. They're very light. I don't even know they're there.
You know, I've used
Right.
other hearing aids before that were bulky. These are light and easy to use, too.
Never miss out on important conversations again, or pay thousands of dollars
so-
for expensive hearing aids. Call now and get 2 Nano CIC rechargeable hearing aids for only $297, or opt into our payment plan of 4 easy interest-free payments.
Sorry, I don't understand that.
Volume, or have trouble hearing conversations, then you would benefit from hearing aids. To waste thousands on expensive hearing aids.
Okay, that's it. That's the repair.
Revolutionary Neo hearing aids
Lined
for
up
just
nicely.
$299
Without a
pair.
schematic.
Don't be fooled by higher-priced hearing aids. The Neo is a true hearing aid,
This
not
little guy
an
here.
amplifier. With rechargeable technology, many
And I said I
customers
got a
say
12-inch
it's superior
too,
to more
with
expensive
this little
models.
radio off
Call
figure
now
like
and
that.
get not
So
one,
I gotta get the back on
Neo
and put a
hearing
couple
aids
pieces
for
of
just $299. Plus, we'll add in a portable charging dock
grommets
and
on
ship
there.
your order
Came all
absolutely
soldered
free.
antenna on
The
and
Neo is nearly invisible with its tiny in-the-ear canal design. And you
Color
can
the
get
red.
2 Neo hearing aids with a 45-day risk-free trial, free shipping, and free lifetime US-based support.
Okay, until next time.
So call
Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.